Hey guys, this is Miami Automobile Technical Service. This is Range Rover 5.0 engine that we are trying to build up, though the car has overheating problem. So, and one of the bolts here has run out, so we have to retread the bolt. As you can see, you have to form another thread here on top of the thread instead of inside. So you have to do it this way with 8 L&Q bolts. So, and then we have to make sure we wash all the dirt out of the engine, and I'll be showing you guys how we'll be using this this pressure washing gun. You know, you have to make sure that there is no any dirt inside the block engine, because 5.0 engine doesn't need any dirty. So we have to make sure that we wash it very clean. So, and please don't mind the noise of my generator and the compressor. So here we go. As you can see how the dirt is coming out. You have to make sure you wash it very good, thorough washing. Thorough washing. We have to make sure so I have to make sure I also use only the air to blow it up and dry it, because this particular engine 5.0 engine doesn't need any dirty at all. You know, it doesn't need any dirty. So you have to make sure everywhere is fully clean before installing the crankshaft. So I will be installing the crankshaft. So this video is going to be a part 1 of this engine assemble of this 5.0 engine Range Rover Sports. So because the car is serious overheating, though some mechanics have worked on it, but we are going to stop the overheating right now. So follow this step. Let me show you how you build the engine and then how you stop overheating on Range Rover 5.0 engine. Though I got a top gasket, a paper gasket, but I'll be mixing it. I have my own way of doing that. So follow this video up, and this is part 1 of this video. And then as I'll be installing the crankshaft, I will come on with the part 2 of the video. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have more unsubscribers that watch my video than the subscriber. I have over 95% of unsubscribers that come and watch my video all the time, but they don't subscribe. Please, this time around, like my video, subscribe my video, then make a comment if you wish. So subscribe to this particular video. So thanks for watching. This is Miami Auto Mechanic.